Hi, it's Miss C. So this is Alto Glockenspiel on Spring Dance. I don't know if you've had a chance to look at it, but if you look at it, the first line and the second line are almost identical. The only difference is the last measure of the second line. So the first line is called A, the second line is called B. And where it says allegretto at the bottom, that is the C section. So there's an A section, a B section, and a C section. When we do those, I will go by A, B, or C, and we will play A a couple of times and B a couple of times, then we'll go to C, then back to A and B. Okay, so here is the A section. Okay, so here's the first measure. So we go C, C, B, G, A, G. Here we go. C, C, B, G, A, G. Okay, you might want to try that a couple of times. You can always pause the recording. Okay, here is the second measure. Here we go. Okay, so it's C, C, B, G, A. Here we go. And then the third measure is the same as the first one. C, C, B, G, A. Here we go. Okay, let's go ahead and try that. C, C, B, G, A. Okay, and the last measure is C, C, B, G, G. Here we go. I don't know if you've noticed, but the first four notes in each measure, the first two beats, are the exact same. Every measure is the exact same. C, C, B, G. They're all the same. Okay, let's try putting it all together. Here we go. This is A. And that's the A section. B section is the same except for the last measure. So let's go one measure at a time. Here's the first one. Same as the first one. Second measure. Here we go. So that's the only difference between the second measure of the first line and the second measure of the second line. Okay, and then we go back to the first measure. Okay, and the last measure is different. It's A, G, F, G, G. Okay, try it again. Okay, so let's try this line 2, which is line B, all together. Here we go. Okay, this is part C for Spring Dance, and I'm going to go bit by bit and just short phrases at a time, and then we'll put it all together. So here's the first phrase. Okay, so G, F, E, C, F. One more time. Okay, and the next phrase, G, F, E, D, C, D. Okay. Okay, let's try that again. One more time. Okay, let's put both phrases together. Let's try that again. Okay, next part. Okay, we repeat D, and then we go up to, okay? So D, D, C, D, C, G. Okay. Again. One more time. Okay, so let's try putting all three of those together. Okay, let's try that again. Here we go. Okay, let's move on, okay? This one's a little tricky. C, D, G, E, C. Let's try that again. One more. Okay, moving on to the next line, we are at number 18. Okay, we're just going to go down C, B, A, G, F, D, C, D, C. So I'll go that far. I'll add the D half note too. Okay, so we have C, B, A, G, F, D, C, D, C, D. Okay, here we go. Okay, one more time on that, please. One more time. Okay, see if we can add all that together. Let's try that one more time, just a little bit slower. Here we go. How was that? You know, you can always slow down the video if it needs to be slower. So that's measure 20, count 3, okay? C, A, G, G, A, C, D, D, okay? C, A, G, G, A, C, D, D. Okay, let's try that again. C, A, G, G, A, C, D, D. Okay, again. A, G, A, C, D, D. Now let's go on, okay? E, F, G, E, A, G, F, E, D. Okay, so we have it again. E, F, G, E, A, G, F, E, D. Let's add it to our last phrase, and then we'll put all the phrases together, and then we only have one more phrase that we'll chop up and try together. Okay. C, A, G, G, A, C, D, D, E, F, G, E, A, G, F, E, D. I'll try that one again slower. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning of the C section and see if we can't add that on. Okay. So let's try all of the C section so far. far so far. Let's take a run at the last part. Last part is C, D, E, F, G, D. Okay, let's try that again. One more time. Okay, and the very, very end, C, D, E, D, E, C, A, G, 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 C, D, E, D, E, C, A, G, G, G. Okay, so let's go from the C, D, E, F, G, D. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try a little bit slower. Again, let's do that again. Here we go. So let's try putting all of that together. All of How did you do? Hopefully if you haven't got it yet, just go back and practice again. Okay, so that's the A, B, and C section for the alto glockenspiel.